humped back. So we're going to start with this hump on the back. Sort of like when you're drawing a mountain or a hill. So start up here, starting at his head, okay? We're going up and down again. And as you go down towards the bottom, it starts to go out a bit. So it doesn't go right down like that, it goes out a little bit like this. Now, see here, it's sort of wavy at the end of his shell. So I'm just going to do this like wave there. And it goes, if you look here, right, goes up a bit because his head is going to poke out here. So it's up here. Then it has a little rim around the edge of his shell. So follow that line again. Now, his head almost looks like, his head sort of looks like a snake coming out a little bit. So that guy coming out there, and then create an eye for him. And then he has little legs, if he's not hiding away, his little legs. And then his shell is like a series of hexagon shapes, kind of like sometimes like tiles you see on the patio. So we're just tying those in, and they don't have to be any particular order. You just want that hexagon shape to it. Okay, so that is a turtle.